look like they are not doing the business or whatever they're supposed to do before. Actually, they're not running well because
Oli,
they're not opening.
Oli,
Operation time is different.
I
Yes.
only called you because this laundromat is a total and disgusting, horrific business. They're not running it properly. I can almost
Right. I know
guarantee
that's
you
what
that
I'm.
they've broken their lease, because if your lease has any salt to it, it probably states that they must run a successful business and properly serve the public.
Hello.
Is it Ollie or Ole? I want to get your
Who is
name
this?
right. This is Danny D'Angelo. I'm looking to lease some space from you, Ollie.
This is Oli. Yes.
Ole!
Yes.
I'm Danny.
You say you need a space. What is the space you need?
There is a laundromat there. That's the spot I want to rent from you.
Do I know what is the purpose you want? What you want to do for it?
I'm in the laundry business, Ole. That's what I do. I have
Oh,
36
you want,
laundromats in 3 states, and I want to rent so that I can put a bunch of new equipment in there and do well. Change the
it's
outlook of
kind
the
of,
center.
it just kind of looks interesting to me. But I have a tenant currently right now. There's people are running the laundry.
Yes.
They have a lease with me, and I'm not sure what is going to be. If they not get out, then I can lease it to no one until they clear the lease.
Sure, sure.
Would you like to fight for that last fish?
You think you got a chance?
I think I can say with complete confidence, none whatsoever. But I'm still hungry.
Help yourself.
Thanks.
Do they have a long-term lease and they are in good standing, or do they they're
No,
not?
it's kind of two things is happening. They have a lease is going to be expired in 2027,
Okay.
but those lady, the people are the laundromat. They try to, I don't know, look like they are not doing the business or whatever they're supposed to do before. Actually, they're not running well
Oli,
because they're not opening.
Oli,
Operation time is different.
I
Yes.
only called you because this laundromat is a total and disgusting, horrific business. They're not running it properly. I can almost
Right. I know
guarantee
that's
you
what
that
I'm.
they've broken their lease, because if your lease has any salt to it, it probably states that they must run a successful business and properly serve the public. I don't know. I don't know what your lease looks like.
Yeah, no, that's true. That's what I'm just thinking too, also, because they're not doing the right thing. Unless if they quit the laundry, if they surrender me, that is going to be another option. But otherwise, I can't force them to get out until I
No,
complete the lease, because
nor
I
should
own
you.
the business. I own the business in last year. I buy the property, but still there is my current tenant. I can't force them to get out until they quit.
You did it, didn't you? You give him back the money?
Yep.
Yep. Well, that ain't the American way. What's more, now you ain't got no money. Well, now what you gonna do?
Don't know.
Oli, you know what? I've been in this predicament with other landlords. You really don't want them
Sure.
as a tenant. And part of this, my friend, let me
Yeah,
guess,
yeah.
they bought this business. They gave someone money for what was already a failing business, and then they have that debt service and old equipment and poor procedures. By the way, they don't have a telephone. They don't do any advertising. I've done the research on this
They have-
place. It's utterly
Right.
right.
Even they didn't even have an even water machine inside. The machine has always been broken.
Right.
The people always been looking water from the next door, and they're not even.
No
It's kind
change
of-
machine. Right.
Yeah.
Well, listen,
There's a lot of issues.
2027 will be here before we both know it. But short of
Yeah.
that, look, if something changes, I'm going to send you an email, and this is my cellular phone number. So hang on to
Sure.
it. And, this isn't some call out of the blue. I've been in this store. We walk the stores. We see what percentage of equipment is broken. It's sad, frankly. They don't know what they're doing. They thought it is greed. They thought they were going to make money
Exactly it is.
and pick the money
exactly.
up out
They
of
don't
the
know what they're
streets.
doing.
Right.
Right.
All right. What's your
They don't
email
know what
address?
they're doing. ad@gmail.com.
Got it. All right, Oli, I'll
Yeah,
send you
can
an
text.
email.
Yeah,
I'll
you
CC
shoot
my
me.
partner
Yeah,
Eli as
and
well.
we'll keep in touch. Also, you can touch me, call me openly, and we see what's going on.
Yeah, we'll get it done, even if it's when their lease expires. But if I were you, I'd go look at the lease line by line and see what they're in default of, because they're in default of something.
Right.
Thanks, buddy.
There is a lot of default.
Bye-bye. Lot of default. Eli, this doesn't work. This isn't real. You can't get a free laundromat. That's not how it works. You have to go buy a store. You can't just get a free laundromat.
Man,
Every landlord
he
loves
was ready.
these tenants. They don't give a they can't do anything. 2027. So they probably bought the business with nothing more than a 5-year lease, or they were taking over the remainder of the lease, and they're screwed. So you know the deal. I'm going to email this character, and you need to keep a close physical eye on this place. And if you see the doors shut, we can't rely on Oli to call us. We need to be the one to call him.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.